We've all been there, reaching for that bag of chips or unhealthy snack when hunger strikes. But what if I told you that you could have snacks that are not only delicious but also good for you? That's right, healthy, satisfying, and guilt-free snacks that will keep you feeling energized all day. Introducing Healthy Snacks for a Week, your ultimate guide to 7 amazing, nutritious snacks that you can enjoy throughout the week, all made with real, wholesome ingredients. Let's take a look at what's inside. 1. G.O.R.P. Good old raisins and peanuts. A classic snack that's packed with protein, fiber, and healthy fats to keep you feeling full and satisfied. 2. Sesame Carrots. Crunchy, tasty, and full of flavor. These roasted sesame-coated carrots are the perfect snack to munch on when you need something savory and healthy. 3. Hummus. A creamy, flavorful dip made from chickpeas that's perfect for pairing with veggies, crackers, or even a spoonful on its own. It's packed with protein and fiber. 4. Roasted pumpkin seeds. These little powerhouses are loaded with magnesium, zinc, and healthy fats. They're easy to make and the perfect snack to boost your energy. 5. Cheesy popcorn. Yes, you can enjoy popcorn and keep it healthy. This cheesy, light version satisfies that craving without the added junk. 6. Toasted nuts. A quick and easy snack to fuel your day. Full of healthy fats, these toasted nuts will keep you going whether you're at home or on the go. 7. Sun-dried tomato dip. Rich, tangy, and full of flavor, this dip is perfect for pairing with your favorite veggies or crackers for a satisfying snack that's also nutritious. These snacks aren't just tasty, they're designed to keep you feeling energized, focused, and satisfied, without all the extra calories or sugar that come with traditional junk food. Whether you're at home, at work, or on the go, these snacks have you covered. Ready to elevate your snack game? Stop reaching for the unhealthy options and start enjoying snacks that are both delicious and good for you. Don't wait. Get your copy of Healthy Snacks for a Week today. Click the link below to download your ebook and start snacking the healthy way now.
Enjoyed this video? Hit the like button, subscribe and share with friends.